So guys, here is our more solving video, and we came on this channel of the Rayyan channels, and in today's video I'm solving the medium one, and it's our 390 question, 390 question it is. And the topic of this question is topic of it elimination game. So this is our topic on today's video. I'm telling about the elimination game. So and we are solving the medium one 390. Okay, this is our question number 390. So get ready for it, and please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel, and to get all the notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos on this channel. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's do our coding with loving it. Let's solve our medium one 390 question by the name of elimination game. So let's start and let's solve this 390 elimination game, and this is a medium. Okay, so let's start and let's solve it, and we are solving in the Python theory, not in the Python. First of all, we read a question, then we will solve this. Okay, so let's read the question. It is saying me you have a list. It say you have a list by the name of ARR of all integers in the range square bracket 1 comma n, sorted in strictly increasing order, and it say apply the following algorithm on array on ARR, and it says starting from left to right. It is saying it is starting from left to right. Let me copy this question. Not copy it, let me come on it here. Okay, let's copy this and let me take down into the word, and let me explain you. Now this one code, it say it is starting from left to right. From where it is starting from? It is starting from left to right. There's a question which it has been given me. Let me give him to the black, and then like this, not like this, like this, left to right. And it says remove the first number and every other number after a word until you reach the end of the list. And in the number 2, it says repeat the previous step again, but this time from right to left. In the first line it says left to right, but this time it says right to left, and it says remove the rightmost number and every other number from the remaining numbers. In the third line it says keep repeating steps again, alternating left to right and right to left until a single number remains. In the first line it say me, in the first line of code, first line it say give right left to right, and in the second line it say me right to left, and in the third line it say left to right and right to left until a single number remains, until the single number will not remain. So like this, then it given the integer n and it returns the last number that remains in the array. And these are the example which it has been given me, which I see and solve the question. Okay, these are the example: input and then output and explanation. Okay, and this one example 2. Here you can see it, example 2. So let's run this. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so let's start to write a code. I understand what he is trying to say. First of all, I define a left row. Okay, then it's a remaining, so I create a one variable of the remaining equals to n. Then it's a step. Okay, I'm creating one step 1 and head 1. Now I'm creating a while loop, while in which I'm writing remaining and then 1, enter. And why I'm writing in the while loop, I'm writing remaining 1 and here greater than 1, because I write here in the step I write 1 and in the head I write 1, so that's why in the while loop in the remaining I write 1. So I give the like this. So you give the space here, then write it, because if you do not give the space, so it must be give you the indentation error. So if left, or I think, or remaining, one more time define a remaining. Okay, then 2, then equals to 1, and then write here semicolon. Perfect. Now give the space one more time. head plus equals to step. Means means in the I create a head variable already and step variable. So I'm head. First of all, I am writing my head variable, then plus equals to, then I am writing my step variable. And step variable I have created in the 5th line, and in head variable I have created in the 6th line. Okay, so a backspace, create a one more time, create our write here our remaining variable name, then slash slash equals to exponentiation sign, then 2 step, then multiply equals to. And you if you want to solve this question, so you must know the arithmetic operation. So these are the arithmetic operation, these are the exponentiation, multiplication, equal to. So you must know the first of all arithmetic operation, then come on this video. So if you know the arithmetic operation, so you easily solve this question, because in this question we are using the arithmetic operations. If I show you, so let me show you, let me come on it here. Here you can see, here we use this type of arithmetic operation, plus equals to, multiplication equals to, exponentiation equals to. Here you can see, here we are using the arithmetic operation, so you must know that. Okay, so write left equals to not left, because it say left to right, then it say but this from right to left. Okay, I am writing left, not to left. Then when I wrote it down, so now our code has been written. So and write return head, and you write return head inside the function, not outside the function. If you write return head outside the function, so it must be give you the error. Okay, so return head, now enter press, and let's see, it's left equals to not left. Okay, let's check the examples, and equals to 9, output 1, and explanation. Okay, and it give me the constraints also, so these constraints we have used it. Okay, so this video, this question is about on the arithmetic operation. So if you do not know what is arithmetic operation, so you come onto my channel by the name of Rayyan. In the channel I have already told you that arithmetic. So here you can see it. Where is my video of the arithmetic operation? Let me see. So arithmetic operations Python tutorial. So because I have only uploaded all the videos on the Python, so let's see where is our arithmetic. I told you all thing in the past, so that's why these are the very videos. Okay, so arithmetic, where is the arithmetic? Where is the arithmetic operations? I uploaded the video, I know that. Okay, lambda, Python dictionary, user input, math. So let me write here operations. Okay, so sorry, here I am writing operations, cellular operators. I have uploaded the video, you go and see it. Okay, of it. I know I uploaded the video on it. Okay, so you will find it Python operators. Okay, here there is where Python operators. There is. Click on this video. In this video I have already told you that, I think so. Okay, in this video I have told you that, so go and see it. In this Python operator, here you can see arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, identity operators, and then in this I have already uploaded. So I know that. Here you can see it. In this video, in Python operators video, I have all told you that. So go and see that. Then your concept will be clear about all the operators. So let's run this our question answer, and let's see our output is correct or not. So let's run this and let's see. So it is giving me name true is not defined. Did you mean true? Okay, it says name true is not defined. Okay, the T is not in capital, so that's why it is giving me the error. So when I run it, so now it not give me the error. So here you can say our all case are accepted, our output, our case 1 and case 2 has been accepted. In the case 1 my output has been coming 6, and in the case 2 my output has been coming 1. So all the cases are correct, and the example 1 my output has become 6, and in the case 2 output will become 1, and my answer is coming same. So let's submit this code, and then let's see our submit. Here you can see it. We solved it in 0 milliseconds, and I come on to the highest one. Here you can see it. Here we come on to the highest one. I have been coming to the highest one. Here you can see it. 21.8 ms of runtime. Here you can see it. use the 0 ms of the runtime, and here you can see we come on to the in the 0 milliseconds we have solved it. Okay, and we come on the top of it. Okay, here you can see it. So here you can see it, we solved our medium one question. So in the next video we are solving the hard one, so get ready for it. And then if you want to see my profile name is Rayyan Big. Go and view this profile, and okay, go and see it. And now let me meet you in the next class. In next video I'm making like that type of videos on the solving. Okay, so now like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. So now let me meet in the next video. We are solving the hard one, so get ready for it. So now for today, goodbye.